और गोळीबार झाला अतिशय दुर्दैवी घटना आहे।
भाई बाबा सिद्दीक साहब के आकस्मिक निधन पर सबसे पहले मैं अपनी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ।
In a shocking turn of events, former Maharashtra minister and senior NCP leader Baba Siddiqui was brutally murdered in Mumbai, sparking widespread political outrage and raising serious concerns about the law and order situation in the state. Siddiqui, a prominent leader, was shot dead by 3 assailants on Saturday evening, sending shockwaves through the political landscape. The Mumbai police have arrested 2 individuals in connection with the murder: Gurmail Singh, who is 23 years old, from Haryana, and Dharamraj Kashyap, who is 19, from Uttar Pradesh. The 2 suspects had been residing in Mumbai from the past 2 months. According to police sources, the accused had received arms just before the incident. The attack took place near Nirmal Nagar in Bandra, where 3 assailants fired a total of 6 rounds at Baba Siddiqui, 3 of which struck the NCP leader. Despite efforts to save him, Siddiqui succumbed to his injuries at Leelavati Hospital late Saturday night. Police officials have identified the 3rd suspect and are actively searching for him. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde expressed his shock over the incident, stating that the police were working diligently to apprehend the remaining assailant. Shinde also announced that Baba Siddiqui would be accorded full state honors during his funeral. The murder has triggered a fierce political storm, with opposition leaders questioning the state's ability to ensure public safety. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who also holds the home portfolio, visited the hospital shortly after the attack. NCP President and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar called the incident unfortunate, condemnable and painful, expressing shock over Siddiqui's death. Shiv Sena UBT leader Aditya Thackeray described the killing as a sign of a complete collapse of administration and law and order. His party colleague Priyanka Chaturvedi questioned whether there was any functioning law enforcement left in Mumbai. Congress leader Imran Pratap Garhi took direct aim at Eknath Shinde-led government, arguing that if a high-profile figure like Baba Siddiqui, who had security and political connections, was not safe, then common citizens stood no chance. RJD MP Manoj Jha echoed these concerns, stating that Siddiqui's daylight murder was a grim certificate of failure for the Maharashtra government. Jha also pointed out that Siddiqui had previously raised concerns about the threats to his life, but these warnings went unheeded. Mansoor Khan, an educationist and AICC secretary in charge for Indian National Congress Kerala and Indian National Congress Lakshadweep, also expressed his deep shock and sadness over the brutal murder of Baba Siddiqui. He highlighted that this horrific act underscores the deteriorating law and order situation in Maharashtra, where even prominent leaders are not safe. In his heartfelt message, Khan extended his condolences to Zishan Siddiqui and the entire family, offering his thoughts and prayers as they cope with the immense loss. He emphasized the urgent need for Maharashtra to address these escalating threats to safety and justice. In a chilling new development, the Lawrence Bishnoi gang has claimed responsibility for the murder of Baba Siddiqui. A gang member posted on Facebook, which quickly went viral, linking Siddiqui's killing to his close ties with Bollywood actor Salman Khan and underworld figure Dawood Ibrahim. The post revealed that Siddiqui was targeted because of his alleged involvement in Bollywood-related dealings and his relationship with Salman Khan. It also referenced Anush Thapan, an accused in a firing incident outside Salman Khan's residence, who later died by suicide while in police custody. The post, which began with, and I quote, "Om Jai Shri Ram Jai Bharat," claimed, "I did only what was right, honoring the duty of friendship." It further accused Siddiqui of being involved with Dawood Ibrahim and stated that his death was connected to his association with the underworld and Bollywood politics. The post also warned that anyone supporting Salman Khan or Dawood's gang should be prepared for retaliation, ending with "Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bharat, salute to the martyrs." Salman Khan has been long-standing target of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. The Bollywood actor has faced multiple threats from the gang over the years, with latest occurring in April when 2 men opened fire outside his Mumbai residence. In June 2022, Khan received a handwritten threat warning him that he would meet the same fate as Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala, who was killed by the Bishnoi gang. In 2023 interview, Lawrence Bishnoi reiterated his anger towards Salman Khan, accusing the actor of disrespecting the Bishnoi community by killing a black buck, an animal sacred to them. The ongoing threats indicate that Salman Khan remains in the gang's crosshairs, and murder of Baba Siddiqui could be part of a larger feud involving Bollywood, the underworld and the organized crime. The police are now investigating these threats and the gang's claims, with increased security around Salman Khan as the case unfolds. The brutal killing of Baba Siddiqui and the gang's open threats have raised the stakes in an already volatile situation, leaving many questions about the state of law and order in Maharashtra. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salah Digital.